Are trustees of prosperity. Now, Suhira from class 7B, please come and share your views with us.
अपनी मिल्लत पर कयास अक़वाम मगरिब से ना कर, अपनी मिल्लत पर कयास अक़वाम मगरिब से ना कर, खास है तरकीब में कौमे रसूल हाशमी. Most reverend sister, honorable guests, respected teachers and my dear school fellows, good morning. Today the topic of my speech is the role of the youth in the progress of Pakistan. In a developing country like Pakistan, youth can play a major role in the nation building. If youth is on the right direction, it is an asset that can rid of the country from the backwardness. The countries that cater the needs of their youth and provide them education, employment, and recreation activities. Actually, they provide them healthy and competitive environment to lead the country. मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है, मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है, सितारों पे जो डालते हैं कमन. If youth is not on the right direction and is unconcerned about the future of the nation, it will become a burden for the nation. Consequently, it will not play any productive role. In Pakistan, due to lack of sincere leadership, youth is facing low self-esteem, a sense of hopelessness and confusion, and ambiguity concerning about moral issues and future. They have been trapped in a culture marked by guns, violence and drugs. All this has resulted in an unstable economy, a shattered confidence of foreign investors, lawlessness and a breakup of social fabric. For the past few years, a great effort has been made to focus on youth of Pakistan and to make them aware their contribution toward development of the nation. It is the duty of the government to provide the youth with ample opportunities to play their role in an effective manner. But unfortunately, in Pakistan, so far, such atmosphere has been created that may encourage and motivate the youth. The nation always has been given the lesson to live like slaves. Engineers, doctors, scientists, and other talented youth on completion of education prefer to serve in foreign countries because they don't feel secure their career and self-esteem. But days are changing abruptly. Youth of Pakistan is getting a right direction now. They are full of talent and skill. With sincere leadership and proper guidance, they can serve the nation to make it prosperous and respectful all over the world. नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कश्ते वीरां से, नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कश्ते वीरां से, जरा नम हो तो ये मट्टी बड़ी जरखेज है साकी. थैंक यू.